Yes. Sit. Introduce yourself.
First of all, sir, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Sir, my name is Saurabh Gupta and I am 17 years old from Barwadi, Jharkhand. As now coming to my educational qualification, I have completed my 10th from St. Mariam High School with a total percentage of 89.8, and I have completed my 12th from St. Xavier's Intermediate College with a total percentage of 75.2, and in PCM I had got a total percentage of 71.3. As coming from a joint family which consists of 11 members, my father is a businessman while my mother is a homemaker. Apart from that, I have a younger brother which is studying in Sainik School. And as for myself, I am a positive, enthusiastic and selfless person. And some of my achievements are that I have completed Scout Guide 3-day course and also emerged victorious
Which course?
Scout Guide 3-day course.
Okay.
And also emerged victorious on our inter-school cricket competition. And on my leisure time, I like to play carom and read mangas. That's all about me, sir.
Okay. So your father is a businessman. What kind of business is he doing?
Yes, sir. My father is a mobile shop owner, and it is mainly of only doing photocopies, form filling. It is like a cafe, sir, only.
Mobile shop owner, photocopies and form filling and
only
other
for
things.
online things. At all.
Online things. Okay. So why are you not interested in that?
Sir, I highly respect my father's profession and the efforts he had done to run our mobile shop in our hometown. But according to me, sir, due to the rise of technological advancement, our business has been facing many losses, such as we can't sell high profit earning things and high market price things for such as mobiles and all, because people are preferring to buy many things online. And now we had shifted our focus only on doing photocopies, form filling, and selling only small things.
Selling only small things.
Products.
Okay. And why are you interested in merchant navy only?
So joining merchant navy offers me a safe and structured environment with clear protocols. It also provides significant opportunities for personal and professional growth. The importance of the role within world trade and society also adds a purpose and responsibility, making it an ideal career for me to join. That's why I want to join merchant navy, sir.
What are the job roles of second mate?
Sir, I don't know what are the job roles of the second mate, but according to me, that somewhat information that I had gathered, that second mate have to do some assigning works that had been assigned to them by the seniors officer only, sir.
Who is your inspiration in merchant navy?
In merchant navy, sir, I don't have any inspiration in merchant navy, but I am entering this field because I am attracted to it, sir.
Attraction.
Yes, sir.
You are using the word attraction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the reason for your attraction? Because the above said things like job roles, responsibilities, significant, these are the ChatGPT words and nothing else. Since you don't know anything about the job roles, that is why I am telling you. So what are the things that those attracted you toward this?
So first of all, it is job security. Second is structure and clarity that I get in this job. And third is about
Again you are saying structure and clarity.
Okay, sir.
How much time will you take from a third mate to a second mate? How much time and how much sales?
12 months. And it will take mainly 3 to 4 sales.
12 months and 3 to 4 sales. What is the duration of one sale?
One sale, it depends on company, sir.
Minimum duration?
6 months, 4 months.
Okay, 6 months multiplied by 4 sales. How many months are there?
24 it will be. And if we will come, no sir, I think for 12 months it is not adjusting, but 4 to 5 months it will be. Sorry sir, I am not able to answer this question.
Yeah, you are not able to answer this question. Anybody in your family is in merchant navy?
No sir.
Nobody?
No.
Any YouTuber you like who is in merchant navy and you watch him?
I had only watched it is on YouTube, and I don't watch many others.
What is the learning you got from that person?
That merchant navy is a job. Merchant navy is a job which is very much of another risk we can get. It is a job related to fun, learning, skill development, responsibilities, leaderships, and many other
Fun,
combinations.
learning,
Mm. Skill development. Le- skill.
one thing which is funny,
Mm.
one thing which is full of learning,
Mm.
and one thing which is in skill development. You have to tell me.
Fun is that, sir, we have to search for the fun in our job. So if we will be doing this,
Then it
type
is
of
not
job-
funny job. If you have to search for the fun, funny job is full of fun.
Mm.
And if you are searching for fun, then it is not a funny job. So forget about the fun. Other thing, responsibility.
Responsibility, sir. After I am a member of that ship, and I have to supply the sales that I am getting order from the company. Then it is also handling responsibility about the supply that I am getting.
That is company's responsibility. That is not your responsibility as a seafarer. What is
Sir,
your
but
responsibility
it's
as a
my
seafarer?
job to also supply it safely, sir. Supply it safely, sound, and on time, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm. And what is the third thing?
I think skill development, sir.
Skill development. Yeah, what is the skill
Sir, I
development?
get to know many things by my seniors, a second officer, third officer, and captain also. And also I get to introduce to social diversities, many other peoples of different communities, cultures, and of another countries are also coming together to live on a ship. But
Don't you think these are not the skills?
Hmm.
Skills are something different from this. You can got all these things when you are roaming around the Taj Mahal. There may be so many people from different cultures, various diversities, and this and that, and you can learn all these things over there also. These are not the skills. What are the skills you are going to get on the ship as a seafarer?
so the skills mainly I am comprising are that navigation and many others that of my seniors will be teaching me, and the responsibility.
What if a senior slaps you on a ship? When he is assigning you something and you are not doing, you are giving the same kind of answers, and he slaps you. What will you do?
Sir, I will not react much on that type of situation. I will first calm down and I will ask if I will see that it is my mistake and this type of nonsense that I have done, if my words are not very much accurate or correct, then I will recognize my mistake and I will say sorry.
Mhm.
And if it will be not my mistake, sir, I will inform to company. I will not complain about that type of situation.
You will inform the company and you will not complain. These two sentences are contradictory. What do you mean? What will you inform the company if you are not complaining about that?
I face this type of situation. So
Huh?
complaining, sir, I will only tell that I have faced this type of situation while I was traveling. So basically it is only complaint, but it will be like informating the company about the behavior or the character of that person. That
Okay, which one is your favorite movie
so I had not watched any movie recently from 1 year only.
in your lifetime? Which one is your
Right.
favorite movie?
3 Idiots, sir.
Three Idiot.
Hmm.
In Three Idiot, who is your favorite character?
Sir, it is Amir Khan, sir. I am not remembering the character name.
Yeah, I'm telling you, Ranchor Das Rancho.
Rancho.
Rancho. That is your favorite movie, and you don't know the character name. That is the funny part. Anyway, so what is the best thing in Rancho?
Sir, he learns from his environment, and he learns from making fun things. He makes everything simple and he comprehends it in a simple way, and he enjoys the life and also learns. It is the best thing that I had ever seen. Enjoying the life and learning, and also accomplishment on that field on the top notch is very much good thing.
He was urinating in his principal's house. Do you think this is funny?
So this is not fun,
If someone
but,
is coming to your house and he is urinating on your door, and he is coming inside your house and talking to your sister, or like he's drunk and he's talking to your sister and running away, do you think this is funny?
Sir, you had given me two cases, sir. And the first case, it is something that it can be considered for them as a fun because they were drunk and they were doing it and subconsciously, sir. And on the second situation, I will definitely act and I will also do something about that, or by legally or illegally. That type of situations. And I think that these two types of situation are very much bit different. So every answer can be different on my perspective. And they had done this type of things.
And he was justifying the suicide of one student by telling that you guys are putting the pressure on that person, and that is why he did suicide.
Sir, it tells that he is an open-minded person and he doesn't fear that teacher will be scolding him or any other thing. He directly said that you are only the person that has also committed, though they have contributed to the suicide of that person or that student.
So what is your point of view? Like teachers have contributed in his suicide? They have any role in his suicide?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, he
Suppose
has,
you are working on a
ship. Not given the opportunity for that student.
They have given the opportunity. They have given enough time. He was not able to complete the project. He was just playing the guitar and all, not completing the object. He was putting more pressure because of his father, the guy who has done suicide. He was putting more pressure because of his father. My father is poor, this and that. Principal was saying that we have given you the time. You have to complete the project and you have to submit.
But at the time when he was saying that, he simply said that you will be fired, and he directly contacted your father and directly said him that your son is not going to pass.
What is the way to say all these things indirectly?
Indirectly, sir, he can inform him, sir, I am not remember, I can't understand this type of situation now. But
suppose you are working on a ship. You have given some responsibilities, some roles, and you are not performing. And then captain is saying that we will send this to the company that you are not performing well. So what will you do? Will you go for suicide?
No, sir.
But right now you are saying, justifying all these things.
Sorry, sir, I am not able to answer this question.
Okay, what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are playing carom and reading mangas.
Reading mangas and playing carom.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir.
And achievements?
Achievements are that I have completed Scout Guide 3-day course and also much victorious in our inter-school cricket competition.
And inter-school cricket competition.
Yes.
Can you tell me the length of the pitch?
12.5.
What?
Meter, yards. Sir, I had played cricket on a very much young age, and it was mainly when I was in 5th, 6th class, and I was not connected to internet and all, and I was only playing cricket from my young age, and I was very much fascinated by that, but I was not able to achieve or go any further in this process. So I left this field, and also I was very much disappointed by this field. That's why I never pursued.
Why you were disappointed? Because in cricket?
Sir, I had played district level in cricket, but after that I was given an opportunity to come in Ranchi, in our capital. But my father's situation was not at all good, and it was asking 4,000 to 5,000 at that time. But my father was not able to give that much money, and so that's why I was very much disappointed, because I was not having any good background also and money, and plus there were many other circulating things that were also going in my mind, and also the societal pressure that it is nothing in cricket and all. So I left this field.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni, sir.
Have you watched the movie MS Dhoni?
MS Dhoni Untold Story, I have watched it.
The same thing was happening in his life. What has he done in his life?
After handling this type of situation, he then also never gave up, and he achieved that thing, what he wanted.
Don't you think your views are contradictory? On one hand, you are liking MS Dhoni, liking his story, and when you are facing the same problems, you are saying, I was disappointed, societal pressure was there, this and that. Don't you think all these are excuses only?
Yes, sir, it was my excuse, I admit it, but according to that time, my situations, and I was also not.
Your situations were worse
I
than
was
another.
also not thinking that I was a very much great cricketer. I was an average player only. I consider myself, but and I don't think that it was very much good for to having a future in my cricket, because my father was also a cricketer, and at that time in his age he used to tell me that I used to go to 20 to 30 kilometers far away from my home to play cricket, and he told me that I was also pursuing, but I was not given any opportunity, and that and this that thing. So I had left because of that only, sir. Because I also understand, I was also contributing, and I was also giving a hand to my father in his shop also. So I understand my situation also, sir. So according to my situation, it was not possible for me to pursue. And
Have you listened the name of Yashasvi Jaiswal?
no, sir.
No? A cricketer, left-handed batsman who are playing right now. Rinku Singh, Yashasvi Jaiswal.
No, sir, I don't watch cricket.
You don't watch cricket? Okay, now we are ending your interview. भाई देख, मैं तुझे बिल्कुल रियल टाइम जजमेंट बताऊंगा जो मुझे लग रहा है, ठीक है? और तुझे काम तो बहुत सारा करना है इसके ऊपर, बहुत सारा मतलब कि बहुत ही सारा, क्योंकि उसके अलावा तेरा काम हो नहीं पाएगा अगर तूने नहीं ठीक किया। वो तुझे भगा देगा वहां से तुरंत के तुरंत। तेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में कोई प्रॉब्लम मुझे नहीं लग रही है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज तेरी अच्छी है, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छी है, आई कांटेक्ट अच्छा है, लेकिन तुम जबरदस्ती अपने पॉइंट्स थोप रहे हो, ठीक है? तो कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह मैं बोलूंगा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस है। जितने भी आंसर हैं दे आर फुल ऑफ एक्सक्यूजेस। तुम जैसे तुमने क्रिकेट के बारे में बोला और तुम जितनी भी कंडीशंस बता रहे हो, इतनी कंडीशन में सिर्फ एक्सक्यूजेस है और कुछ नहीं है। यशस्वी जायसवाल जो है वो पानी पूरी बेचता था मुंबई में, ठीक है? पानी पूरी बेच करके, पूरे दिन काम करके, थोड़े बहुत पैसे इकट्ठे करके, अपने कोच के पास जा करके, उससे मिन्नतें करके, फिर प्रैक्टिस करके, बहुत मेहनत करके आज इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में है। सेम इज विद रिंकू सिंह, और ऐसे कई सारे क्रिकेटर हैं आज के टाइम पे जो आईपीएल भी खेल रहे हैं। तुम्हारे पापा के टाइम पे ऐसा हो सकता है, बिल्कुल सही बात है, लेकिन आज के टाइम पे क्रिकेट में बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, ठीक है? तो आज के टाइम पे गिव अप कर देना और गिव अप करने के बाद एक्सक्यूजेस डाल देना, ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी है और ये आपके लिए ठीक नहीं है, पहली बात, ठीक है? दूसरी चीज ये है कि जैसे हमने 4 नॉन टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन पूछे तुमसे, तो तुमने जितने भी आंसर बनाए हैं, मैंने बोला था कि इन आंसर्स के पीछे की बैकअप स्टोरी रखना। फन, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, स्किल, उसमें एक चीज और भी थी जो मैं भूल गया हूँ। स्किल डेवलपमेंट था, फन था, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी, एक और भी चीज थी, तीनों में ही तुम फेल हो। स्किल डेवलपमेंट तुम बता नहीं पाए वहां पे क्या होता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि वहां क्या मिलती है, फन तुम्हें वहां पता नहीं, जबकि कितना फन है वहां पे। लोग वहां पे क्रिकेट भी खेलते हैं, लोग वहां पे एंजॉय भी करते हैं, लोग वहां पे पार्टी भी करते हैं, खाने के लिए बहुत कुछ अच्छा भी मिलता है, लोग वहां पे रील्स भी बनाते हैं, वीडियोस भी बनाते हैं, इंटरनेट भी अच्छा चल रहा है, ठीक है? तुम केवल पॉडकास्ट भी देख लोगे ना, किसी जैसे मैंने ही 3-4 डाल रखे हैं, उनकी ही देख लो, करणवीर का देख लो, ठीक है, समर्थ सिन्हा का देख लो, कुछ भी देख लोगे तो तुम्हें अपने आप पता चल जाएगा कि सर ये फन एक्टिविटीज होती रहती है वहां पे। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देखनी है, मैंने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी पॉडकास्ट में डाली हुई है। कैप्टन सेंस का वीडियो देखोगे, उसमें सारे रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज डिटेल में बताए, डिटेल में, बट आपको वो नहीं पता है। स्किल डेवलपमेंट आपको नहीं पता। स्किल डेवलपमेंट तो बहुत सारे होते हैं यार, जितनी बार शिप पे जाओगे नया शिप मिलेगा, उससे रिलेटेड नए कोर्सेज करने पड़ेंगे, शिप पे इतने सारे टर्म्स यूज होते रहते हैं, वो सब करना पड़ेगा। तो स्किल डेवलपमेंट तो अपने तुम नाम नहीं लोगे तो भी तुम्हें पता लग जाएगा, ठीक है? तो ये सब कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है। 3 इडियट तुमने बोला मेरी मूवी है, फेवरेट मूवी है, तुम्हें कैरेक्टर का नाम नहीं पता था, चलो वो तो एक अलग बात है, तुम भूल गए होगे, लेकिन उस मूवी में जैसे मैंने तुम्हें 3-4 चीजें पूछी, तुम उसको जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाए कि ये सही है या गलत है। देखो, जो चीजें गलत होती है ना, शिप पे बहुत सारी चीजें ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में होती हैं। शिप पे जब आप जाओगे ना तो ग्रे में कुछ नहीं होता, चीज या तो सही होती है या गलत होती है। तो अगर कोई बंदा जाकर के अपने प्रिंसिपल के डोर पे टॉयलेट कर रहा है और उसके घर में जा रहा है और वहां पे उसकी लड़की से मिल रहा है, कूद रहा, भाग रहा है, ये लड़कों के लिए फन हो सकता है, बट सोसाइटी में ये चीज सही नहीं है, ये गलत में ही काउंट किया जाएगा हमेशा ही, चाहे भले वो प्रोटोगनिस्ट हो, बट इसको गलत में ही काउंट करोगे, ठीक है? सुसाइड कभी भी सही नहीं होता। बहुत लोग इस बात को जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कॉलेज के प्रेशर की वजह से उसने सुसाइड कर लिया। किसने प्रेशर दिया था कॉलेज जाने के लिए? किसी ने प्रेशर, तुमको मर्चेंट नेवी में जाने के लिए कोई प्रेशर दे रहा है? नहीं दे रहा ना। अब तुम मर्चेंट नेवी में जाओगे, कभी कभी वहां पे 24 घंटे ज्यादा काम करना पड़ता है लगातार। अगर आप कंप्लेनिंग नेचर के होगे तो आप क्या करोगे?
एक्सक्यूज।
अगर वहां पे जाकर के कोई वर्क प्रेशर की वजह से सुसाइड करता है तो उसकी गलती है। तुम्हें पहले ही पता होना चाहिए कि मर्चेंट नेवी में जा रहे हैं जहां पे 24 घंटे से ज्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा। तुम नहीं झेल पा रहे हो, मत जाओ। कोई आईआईटी में जा रहा है तो उसको पता है कि भैया पढ़ाई नेक्स्ट लेवल की होगी। तुम अगर वर्क प्रेशर नहीं हैंडल कर सकते हो तो मत जाओ, क्योंकि लाइफ में केवल आईआईटी थोड़ी ना है। आप एनआईटी में जा सकते हो, दूसरे कोर्सेज में जा सकते हो। अरे वो वाले कोर्सेज कर लो जो तुम्हें पसंद आ रहे हो। बहुत सारी चीजें ना। तुम कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट करके बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर लो, ये भी तो करते हैं ना लोग। तो सुसाइड तो कहीं से भी जस्टिफाइड नहीं है। अगर एक टीचर बोल रहा है, उसको अपने इंस्टीट्यूट का, भाई टीचर के ऊपर भी तो प्रेशर है कि उसको अपना इंस्टीट्यूट मेंटेन करना है, अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स लाने हैं, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स निकालने हैं। तो वो तो तुम्हारे ऊपर प्रेशर डालेगा ही डालेगा कि तुम्हें अच्छा काम करना है। कोई भी अच्छा काम विदाउट प्रेशर होता है क्या? अगर आपको ओलंपिक मेडल जीतने हैं तो विदाउट प्रेशर मिल जाएंगे क्या? प्रेशर होगा, स्ट्रेस होगा, काम करना पड़ेगा, हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा, तभी तो आपको अचीवमेंट्स मिलेंगे। कहीं पे भी विदाउट प्रेशर, विदाउट स्ट्रेस ये सब चीजें नहीं होती है। इफ एनीबडी इज गोइंग फॉर सुसाइड, ये उसका खुद का मिस्टेक है, दैट इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग। तो यू हैव टू हैव अ वेरी क्लियर स्टैंड ऑन दीज थिंग्स कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है। अगर आप कोई पिक्चर बता रहे हो, कोई भी चीज बता रहे हो, तो अभी मेरा सजेशन जो तुम्हें है वो ये है कि जो भी आंसर्स तुमने दिए हैं इनके ऊपर तुम्हें क्या करना है, थोड़ी और रिसर्च करनी है डीपर लेवल की। और देखो कि क्या सही है। 3 इडियट एक अच्छी पिक्चर है, उसमें से देखो अच्छी चीजें क्या है और उनको पिक करो, गलत चीजें क्या है। मतलब पिक्चर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं, पिक्चर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं, बाकी सब चीजों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखो। समझ में आ रहा है? अलग हटा दो पिक्चर में कि वो हीरो कर रहा है, ये सोचो तुम्हारे घर में ही हो रहा है, तब क्या करोगे? ठीक है?
यस सर।
एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क?
यस सर, मुझे ये पूछना था कि सर मतलब कि जैसे पॉजिटिव थिंग जैसे बताते हैं तो हर एक चीज़ का हमको अगर नेगेटिव पार्ट भी मतलब उसके साथ ही प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा।
एग्जैक्टली वो तुमसे दोनों चीजें पूछेगा। ठीक है? तो ज्यादा परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन पहले इंटरव्यू में तुम्हें अच्छे खासे इंसाइट मिल गए, तो अब तुम्हें क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू के लिए और अच्छे स्ट्रांगली प्रिपेयर होकर के आना है।